The seashore connecting Bandra with Mahim. And I'm walking from Bandra Reclamation to Mahim Dargah to pray for the well-being of everyone affected by this pandemic. People are dying. Some deaths are recognized and some deaths are just unknown names, unknown faces, unknown people. I should pray for all of them. Thank you. I'm walking from Bandra to Mahim Dargah. And this is the Mahim seafront. These are the cane weavers. अच्छे से नहलाओ, अच्छे से नहलाओ. These are the cane weavers of Mahim. They make baskets. The fishermen are not going. This is the fishing village of Mahim. Like a parking lot. You find a lot of useless people, drug addicts on this road. You can't. This is Mahim Causeway. Mahim Causeway. This is the road that leads to St. Michael's Church and Dargah of Makdum Shah Baba. I'm going to meet my friend Saqib. He was met with an accident. I have not been able to meet him, nor has he been able to meet me. How are you? So, this is Mahim. This is being shot during the lockdown. So you see all these guys, rag pickers, and drug addicts, all on this stretch. There at the back is the ceiling. I used to come here during the Mariamman feast of Machhibar. They used to do the cheek piercing on the beach from the Mariamman temple at fishing village, Mahim Koliwada. That is the custom building. Normally during the Urus of Maghdum Shah Baba, I used to walk bare feet from Mahim Dargah back to Bandra. So I couldn't get a cab, it was impossible to get a bus. And now, this is my second trip to Mahim. The last I took the trip after the lockdown when I went to meet Dr. Manoj Chadda, my endocrinologist, diabetologist at Hinduja Hospital, a great human being. Has taken good care of me. I'm using the R insulin thrice a day. It's a lot of improvement to my, and I'm walking a lot. And what makes my wife wonder that how I had to go through a bypass surgery when I used to walk so much. I walked from Delhi to Ajmer, 550 kilometers. I used to walk from Bandra to Versova Gaon. And yet I had 4 blockages, and thanks to Mr. Zahid Khan of Sabiman, I was operated at Lifeline. I was operated at Lifeline. Dr. Kamlesh Shah. I was totally broke at that time, so it was done free, so I had to pay for the peripherals, the blood and everything. But anyway, that right at the end you can see the Mahim church. They used to have the most famous Wednesday Novena. Today even the gods have gone silent. All the gods collectively have gone silent. And the only gods, temples, mosques working round the clock to help humanity are the hospitals. The health warriors, the doctors, the nurses, the ward boys, and everybody. I was telling somebody that what happens to the workers in the crematorium working round the clock disposing of bodies? Will they be vaccinated? And the poor don't have a mobile phone where the online registration is mandatory. What happens to them? There are so many things that are left unanswered. And I'm not into politics. I feel sorry for the people that have passed away. That is St. Michael's Church. So, thank you all.